Muthenya umwe thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee President Uhuru Kenyatta gutongoria mucemanio uria urari muthingi wa kuhagura mubunge wa Garissa Township kuma kuri giturwa kia mutongoria wa rigi bunge-ini ya bururi.
The seat that I have warmed for the last 7 years and I wish him all the best.
Mubunge wa Gibibiri Dagitari Amos Kimunya neikarire giturwa giake kieru.
Kilichokuwa na mwanzo hakikosi kuwa na mwisho. Today marks the end of my service as the first leader of majority party of this house under Article 108 of the Constitution.
At times, nature provides you with an opportunity to redefine yourself, and I want to ask my friend and the dweller to look at it from that perspective. There are some crucibles, or so-called crucibles in leadership, that comes and it changes your life, and you start thinking, yes, I've been doing this, but is there something else I probably should be doing?
Agithagathaga meciria ma Kimunya ni gibarua kiria kimwetereire agiikarira giturwa giki Duale aramutara ateti wira muhuthu gutetera na gutindika matanya ma thirikari bunge-ini ya bururi na barabara-ini ino mundu athondekaga thu nyingi indi no gicunji kia wira.
On that note, allow me to unconditionally ask for forgiveness and apologies to anyone in this house and outside who I may have offended in the course of executing my duties.
My brother, when you see us following Baba like cows, we are fearing consequences like the one you are facing now. So politics is like that, Mukuba. It is today, if you go against the wishes of the people who own parties, the people who lead this country, the consequence is a good experience for me. I will be more loyal than I was now.
And there's going to be political groupings. There's going to be a tsunami. I don't know who it is going to sweep. Whether it's going to sweep you or me, I don't know. Maybe we might find ourselves in the same group, but I will tell you, if that group does not have Raila Odinga, I will not be in that group.
Gibarua gia Kimunya riu ni gutigirira ati mogaruruku maria president endekithitie morugamiriri wa kamite cia bunge ya bururi ni makinyanira. Ithurano cia kurehe mogaruruku maya ciirigirirwo gukorwo itirihitwo muthenya wa aramithi niguo gukorwo na mbutu iria ihoketwo ati guteithiriria gukinyaniria cioneki cia president bunge-ini na nja wa bunge.
This work of politics is very difficult, majority leader. And when the going gets tough, don't die. Remain strong. Don't say I would rather die than resign.
Mogaruruku ta maya ni marikitie gukinyanirio bunge-ini ya Senate. Muhiuria wa mucarica wa mwena wa Ringi Irungu Kang'ata ni athondekete weru kamite cia Senate mwena-ini wa ngwataniro ya Jubilee na njira ya kuheria maseneta maria mothe manyitaga mbaru munini wa president kuma rugamiriri-ini wa kamite na kumwe makeherio kamite-ini kaimana mogaruruku maria mekwambiriria gukinyanirio miaraho ya muthenya wa keri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.